Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make this moon and star earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is create this so that we can attach our moon and stars to the bottom. So I've cut the chain, I've cut a length of these 6 different bars. So what we're going to do is attach them to our stainless piece by using 4mm jump rings. So we're just going to find where that jump ring is open. I'm just going to put my pliers on either side of that, and I'm just going to gently twist that open. And then I'm going to attach this stainless bit on one side and my chain on the other side. And then I'm going to put my pliers here, and I'm gently going to twist that back into place. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Going to find where that jump ring opens. I'm going to twist it open. And I'm going to attach the stainless piece. And then I'm going to attach that chain. Then I'm going to take my pliers and twist the jump ring back into place. And then I'm going to find the center of the chain, and I'm going to attach my ear wire. And then I'm going to close that at the top. So then all we have left to do are attach these two at the bottom. So I've got stainless steel chain here, wire here, and this is a 24 gauge. And I'm just going to string my moon face through there. Then I'm going to push both of my wires up. And then I'm going to want to create a coil right here. And then I'm going to cut off the wire that's left. And then I'm going to use my round nose pliers at the top of the coil, and I'm going to bend it away at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that, and I'm going to make another little loop. And then at this point, I want to open my loop up a little bit, and I want to attach it to my earring. You want to make sure that it's strung on there to where the moon face is going to be on the front. And then I'm going to hold it in my loop. And just to make things easier, I'm going to grab these with another pair of pliers, and I'm going to wrap that wire around. And make a coil. And then once I have that, I'm going to take my cutters, and I'm just going to cut off the excess wire. Oh. And there is one earring down. And then I just have to attach the star. So I'm going to string the star onto my wire. And I'm going to push the wire up so that it crisscrosses at that star point. Then I'm going to take one of the pieces of wire, and I'm going to straighten it to go straight up. And I'm going to take the other little wire and coil that around a couple times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And I'm going to take my pliers and make a little loop at the top. I'm going to attach this to my stainless piece in the center. And then I'm going to hold it in the loop and coil it back around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then go. I've got a moon face on one side and a star on the other. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Have a great day.